Welcome back to Crypto Lodge. If you like the content, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe. And in this video, I'm showing you how to install MetaMask. Very quick, very simple. Go to Google, type in MetaMask, Chrome extension. Click on the top link. You go to the Chrome Web Store, add to Chrome, add extension. This should only take a second. And it will automatically add it up here. Now what you want to do is click this puzzle piece, come down to MetaMask and hit this little pin guy right there so it stays pinned. Now, it's nice how it follows you around. Okay, you hit get started, and if you probably don't already have a seed phrase, so let's move on. Let's get set up and create our own new wallet. Read through this. It basically says never collect your keys, addresses, transactions, balance. Never write down any of this information. And make sure your computer is not vulnerable. So just make up a password. Doesn't matter what it is. It should be secure. And this will be your password every time logging in. And then it'll give you a seed phrase. You can watch this video. It'll show you how to do it. I guess it's making me. Okay. Now you click here. Okay, it says your secret recovery phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. Warning, never disclose your security recovery phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take your crypto forever. Don't store the password anywhere. Just get a piece of paper and a notebook. Stay away from all cameras. Don't speak the words out loud. And write these down in order. I'm going to pause the video while I do that. Alright, so mine is drum, kangaroo, select, option, buddy, segment, firm, faculty, strategy, east, riot, exclude. Obviously, don't say these out loud at your house. Hit next, and then you just go ahead and punch them in as you have them written down. Mine's drum, kangaroo, select. Feel free to fast forward through this if you get it. Option, buddy, segment, firm, faculty, strategy, east, riot, exclude. Confirm. All done. And now that'll give you a blank Ethereum address. You click right here to grab the address. If you go to etherscan.io, type in your address, it will say 0 ether, but it does exist. Now, let me hop over to, I have the address. Now, let me hop over to a wallet with some Phantom in it, just so I can show you how to add an RPC and send some Phantom or any coin. There's Evmos. Let me just send one Phantom. So I got 2.4 Phantom here. I'm going to go ahead and hit send. Now keep in mind, this is a different wallet on a different Chrome account. So I'm going to send one Phantom to the address we just created. That's simple. Gas fee is 0.01 Phantom, which is almost nothing. It'll leave me 2.39 something. And then once that's sent, we can hop on over to here, and what you'll notice if you refresh the page, something new. This little B icon right here. This shows you, B stands for blockchains. If you hold in control and click on it, yeah, it's a little hotkey to open a new tab, it'll show Phantom Scan. And it'll show that I have one Phantom in the new wallet that I created. Now, to add the Phantom RPC list, or chain list, that's what it's called. Look for Phantom, hit connect wallet. This is the best way to do it without making it manual, doing it manually. Manually is just ridiculous. So here we've got the RPC data for Phantom Opera that we don't have to fill in manually. Switch network over to Phantom. Go ahead and check. It should still be on okay, it switched to Phantom, and we have our one Phantom that we sent. Now this is lesson 1 in about 100 that I'll be doing. So like, subscribe. If you're just getting into DeFi, we're going to be taking a trip into DeFi, and you'll never go back to the centralized exchanges again, only to on-ramp and off-ramp. I left exchanges over 2.5 years ago, and I never came back. All the money is in DeFi. Thanks for watching. Hit the notification button to be notified when I drop my next tutorial. Thanks for watching.